Yo, how's it going, guys? Little peeps, Hunter here. They're reviewing a smaller set. It's the Lego City Arctic Scout Truck with 322 pieces. This set number is 60194. Front, just look at the back. And the set can transform into a boost set. It shows that right over there. Oh, let's start the reviewing. Shall we begin? So this is the first minifig that we have. She has a little beanie, a blue beanie. She looks pretty stern. She's a woman. She has a light blue coat, and dark blue shirt, dark blue pants, white gloves, a little GPS phone thingamajig. And that's what the back of it looks like, and there's a little walkie-talkie. And there is a red cameraman. He has the giant double camera. He has a red hat. He has a goatee. He has black pockets, a red coat, black pants, and something on the back that's gray. Something on the back that's gray. Hooray! Something on the back that's gray. Hooray! Then there is a guy, and he drives the Arctic motorcycle in this set. He has a blue helmet with a white part, blue and white helmet. He is smiling, or to be more precise, he's snickering, kind of. He has a yellow part to his shirt and a blue part to his shirt, a dark blue part, and there's blue gloves on either side. And he has blue pants. And that's what the back of him looks like. Pretty similar to the front. Now that we're done with the minifigs, let's move on to the husky. It wants to live with you. It likes you. And it has bananas. That's all it really does. And then there is a motorcycle that works in the Arctic. There's tracks and a little snowshoe on the front. I'm going to show you how that moves. It doesn't move that smooth, which is kind of strange to me, actually. But not that strange. There's a cave, there's icicles hanging off it. There's a little window the polar bear looks through. And then come out of the cave. Wah! Attack you! It doesn't like anyone disturbing its cave. Then there is this other little cave right here. On my display, I have the husky hide in there because it's scared of the polar bear. And then this is what the jackhammer is used for. Where did I put it? Oh, right here. You put the jackhammer on this, and then you can pull up a small little crystal. It's hidden in a hole down there. And then there's one more. Can you guess where it is? If you guess the top, tell me in the comments below. Even if you guess the bottom, tell me in the comments below. Well, it is on the top, and inside it, there's another little frozen dragonfly in it. There's another hole. And then there's more random orange things on the top. I don't like the orange things. They look weird. And then there is these 2 little holes in it. Then there's the massive scout truck itself. There's four wheels altogether. It says 60194. There's a mountain with a star, and around with another star on this side. It also says 60194 on this side. There's a vent, walkie-talkie. So there's a vent there, and there. Right? What happened? Yeah, right there. There's a walkie-talkie right there. There's a little hook to hold something. There's another little hook. There's a little hole to put something on. This bed folds up and down. There's a lot of space for cargo. And there's an antenna on one side and a black pole on the other side. There's little gray compartments. There's tracks. There's lights, more lights, and a little grill. And the roof comes off, reveals the interior. Inside there's a little seat for someone, a steering wheel, white steering wheel. On the back, there's another seat. There's a little keyboard and mouse. Then if you look through there, take off the front of it, there's a computer screen. You can see it right there. And then there's also mirrors right to the sides. And now, as always, I'm going to show you guys how it moves. So let's do this. It moves pretty nicely. Tracks and wheels working together. So thanks for watching, guys. Click that like button if you liked this video. And make sure to subscribe. Bye.